In today's video, I'm going to teach you whether you can download ClickUp or not. The short answer is yes. ClickUp offers multiple ways to get its tools onto your devices. So whether you prefer mobile, desktop, or a lightweight browser add-on, you've got options. To get started, open your browser and search for something like ClickUp Free Download. This simple search helps you land on the right page quickly. When the results appear, look for a link that clearly says Download ClickUp from the official ClickUp website or a trusted app store. Sticking to official sources is important to ensure you're getting the most secure and up-to-date version. Once you're on the download page, you'll see there are various options for downloading ClickUp. You can install the mobile app on your Android device from the Google Play Store or on your iPhone from the App Store. If you prefer working on a computer, you can download it for Windows, Linux, and more. There's really something for everyone, so we're spoiled for choice here. Pick your preferred download method based on where you do most of your work. If you're all about quick access while browsing, I'm just going to do a Chrome extension as an example. The extension adds a handy shortcut right in your browser so you can capture tasks or jump into your workspace without switching tabs. Head to the Chrome Web Store, find the official ClickUp extension, and add it to Chrome. It may take some time, so be patient and let it finish installing. Once it's done, you'll see the icon appear near your address bar, and you're ready to go. And just like that, you'll have direct access to ClickUp from your device of choice. The experience is consistent across platforms, so your tasks and projects stay in sync no matter where you open them. If you ever switch devices, just sign in and pick up right where you left off. Remember, you can still use your browser to access ClickUp without downloading anything. The web app is fully featured, and it's a great option if you're on a shared